guys ready to get your show started? Well, keep that chaotic, talkative energy going for your hosts, James Cummins and Matt Render.
Oh my God, hell yeah. Hey guys, one more time for being here at this fucking great Roastlemania experience. Yeah, man, I feel like the intensity of this show has gone up a whole lot since all of you are sitting all the way back there. I feel like I'm at a rock show at the Barricade. I'm just gonna fucking stage dive, huh? What do you guys want me to do? Yeah, just stage dive into these chairs? How are you guys? Are you guys good?
Oh, sick, yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's gonna be a fucking bloodbath tonight, eh? You guys, oh, hey! There we go. There we go. The whole fucking drinking team from Christie Pitts Park has arrived. There we go. Hell yeah, guys. What number is that for you? Oh, it's White Claws. We figured out who's gay in the crew. A couple brews on the sides and just fucking homo-licious in the middle. What's going on, bud? Hell yeah. Hey, what are you guys drinking back there so I can make fun of it, huh? Beer, he's the man. Oh, and surprise, the lady has a White Claw. You guys could go have a little chick night together after he's done fucking her.
Oh, you pussies, come in the front.
Yeah, guys, I thought you were fucking Irish. I thought you were fucking Irish. Come on, guys. Come on, lads. Come on, you fucking cunts. Come on, you cunts. How loud do I have to say cunt? How many times do I have to say cunt before you trust me? Before we're just boys, eh? Cunt! Come on, I'm one of you. I'm Ginger, eh? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. What should we talk about here? I fucking know all of you. I know you. I don't know you guys. How is Toronto treating you? Yeah. The Irish cunts. Yeah. Huh? Grand. Are you're leaving tomorrow? This your big send-off? Sick. How long were you here for? Too long. Nice. 2 weeks?
No, 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And what, you guys failed the residency test? Or?
Only starting.
Fair, okay. Right on. You're going back to Ireland? Is the beer here shit or what? Not good enough?
Fairly shit, yeah.
Fairly shit. Yeah. Fair. No. How about the people? Do you like them here?
Oh, they're great, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought they were a bunch of cunts. But I guess if you're Irish, that's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they're a bunch of cunts then. Either way, they're a bunch of cunts. I'm going to say one thing and we're going to get on with the show, guys. You guys know what a roast battle is?
Yeah.
You guys know what a roast battle is? It's like basically me talking to this guy, calling him gay for drinking a White Claw, but like more personal and more fucked up. Like these guys are gonna say some really personal, fucked up things about them, and all you guys have to do is just laugh and be a couple of good cunts. Okay, that's all we need from you. Okay. You go on coffee dates? No. You look gay. Where do you go for dates?
I'm married.
Oh, okay, so you don't go on dates at all. Just no dates, nothing, right? I went on a fucking, I don't like coffee dates. Coffee dates are shit. I like drinking dates, right, Ireland?
Yeah.
Drinking dates, right? Coffee dates fucking lame, boring, board games, 30 minutes of pretending that you fucking like, Gilmore Girls or whatever the fuck they will actually fuck that, I like drinking dates. 3 bars, and you're getting blown in an alleyway. That's my speed, right? Right? Like, I'm in a fucking Starbucks the other day. I'm in a Starbucks, and, oh, man, dude. Oh, this, you know what I saw? Dude, did you ever see a kid fall?
Yeah.
Isn't it great? You saw one today?
Yesterday.
Oh my god, were we at the same Starbucks? No, dude, I saw a good one. This kid just fucking flat out tripped right on his face. No step, just full on, just fucked up. Just fucked up over nothing, okay? Flat out good face and good noise and everything. It was perfect crying face. And the best part was, dude, the mom was already in line. She didn't even fucking notice. Right? She already had the word frappuccino out of her mouth. This top 10 whitest things I've ever seen. Then she turns around, she's like, oh my god! This isn't fucking oat milk, what the fuck? It was great. And I was sitting there, this old lady's there right beside me, full volume giving out her credit card information. Front and back, security code. So guess who now has Pornhub Premium? No, I'm kidding. It's Gretchen Rubenstein. She lives at 118 Mercer Street, postal code M6K, fucking whatever postal codes are. This is gonna be a fucked up night. Hey, it's gonna be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. I'm glad you guys made it from Christie Pitts. Yeah. Well, why don't we bring up James up here, huh? Or co-host over here.
Yeah, welcome to the show. Thanks so much for being here. A lot of slander on White Claws off the top, you know. And I'm going myself. Faggot. Hey, you gotta be a little gay to be skinny, you know. I'm trying to listen. This mic sounds very echoey, by the way. If anyone can fix that in the back, thank you. Yeah, I'm trying out this new diet. It's called being sad and poor. Yeah, too poor to eat and too sad to have an appetite. It's working too. I used to think bulimia was the best. Because then you get to taste it twice. You know what I mean? You can throw that shit up later. I'm totally seeing the reason behind being anorexic now, ladies. Yeah, I see it. I didn't get it before, but now I do. It's working. Anyways, let's get these battles started, Matt.
Woo! Give it up for Jay Jeffrey Hour, everyone. Jay Jeffrey Hour.
Tonight, do we tell people what they're playing for tonight?
What are we playing for, James?
So tonight we have 4 roast battles, and then the winners of all 4, they face off in a speed round, which is honestly the best thing in roasting. We're the only people that do it in any roast battle. They come on and they just do a minute off the top of their head, and it's just straight up old school shit talking. All the fucking written jokes they do before, cool, whatever. But the speed round, that's the real shit, and the winner comes home with the roast battle title, which is... And they would have got a cash prize if we didn't spend $40 on ads and make none of it back. We'll see what we can do.
Okay, without further ado, let's bring up our first battle of the night. Let's get Jordan Trafford and Ryan Sim up to the stage, guys. Hell yeah. Keep that energy going. I have one quick thing I'm going to say about Ryan. Jordan is just too irrelevant for me to have anything to say about him, but I don't know. He looks like he just came from a Frisbee Fish concert gangbang. Ryan has a podcast show called Chowing Down with Ryan Sim, where he goes around to different restaurants and rates them, and he eats, and you get to see Ryan eating. And nobody really watches it, but some people do watch it because they're waiting for the episode where Ryan just has a heart attack. Okay.
It looks like he's done a lot of episodes.
That's all I have for these guys. Let's hear what they have to say for each other. Hey, give some noise, give some love, and here we go.
Hey, I just deleted all my roast jokes off my phone before, So I'm actually just gonna have to go to the top of my head. I'm
This
so
is a
sorry.
roast battle, not an excuse battle.
I was so proud of them too. You start then. I'm fucked.
Alright. Ryan has erectile dysfunction, and his wife is a doctor. The only thing that comes easy in Ryan's house is a Cialis prescription.
Is that it? Okay, cool. All right. Speaking of sex, Jordan's girlfriend recently got an abortion, which is cool. It turns out her pull-out game is stronger than yours. I just,
His wife did the deed.
because she's a doctor, she pulled it out. It was a very disgusting baby.
Ryan has erectile dysfunction. Did I mention that? And his wife's a doctor from a small country called, she's an Uber driver now. The saddest part of the whole thing is her wife fucks her better, her job fucks her better than you can.
Fuck me.
Jordan is not very good at sex.
Or roasting.
Jordan is bisexual because usually after he's come they say bye.
That's good. Damn, it sucks when you're getting laughed at by a comic who's not even terrible. Jesus Christ. Actually, Ryan and I are good friends. I went to Ryan's house in Hamilton to help him build a shelf because he's not a man. And seriously, he knows nothing. He knows nothing about tools. He thought the hammer was a good place to live.
Jordan has lived with his parents his whole life, which is pretty cool. He's very close with his father, even though they got a divorce when they're very young. He calls his dad every day, but he just doesn't pick up. He just your dad. He doesn't pick up the phone. He doesn't want to.
I think I hear him now. Ryan has a 3-year-old son. Ryan has a 3-year-old son he nicknamed Chunky. Not only is he fat, but he fat shames his son. Yeah, that's it.
Jordan's bucket lists actually include writing a song, visiting Thailand, and raising his children. Oh, that one's crossed out. His girlfriend got an abortion. Remember? I forgot my jokes.
Ryan told me he was bulimic in high school.
Kind of support.
Ryan told me he was bulimic in high school. I didn't ask. He just brought it up.
Jordan took off his fanny pack for this roast.
Tell a true joke.
But he's going to put it on after. These are just observations.
Okay, all right. Are we done?
Yeah. Round of applause for Ryan. It was a real back and forth battle. At first I was like, man, maybe you should have thrown out your jokes before the battle.
I think we have the clear winner here was Lee Fernandez. Lee Fernandez come back.
If I find my jokes, we'll come back up.
I wouldn't even mind just putting Lee in the fucking speed round. These guys are fucking shame. That's fucking brutal. You know the best part? The best part about this roast battle is that they asked me beforehand, hey man, how many jokes can we say? Because we have a lot. I was reading them. We have a lot of good fire material tonight, guys.
Ryan said to me, he's like, you might not want to put us first because we've done this a lot. You might want to close the show out with us. But I do think you guys.
And then they put me first after I just deleted my jokes and they put me first.
No, you were in like a lion, out like a lamb. Great start, Ryan. Tough finish. And then Jordan, you really came back on the last 2 rounds. So I really think.
It's like a 5-5.
They both lose. Or...
I'll say my vote was for Ryan. You know?
Which one's Ryan again?
Ryan's the foul one. Ryan's the bulimic one.
Ryan, yeah, right, but you can't tell.
Just to, yeah, I think they both suck. Give it up for Ryan, everybody. Ryan Taylor. Ryan in the speed round. Let's get our next two comedians onto the stage. We've got Monica Gross and Chris Sarpong, everybody. Oh yeah. Give it up for them. I'm just gonna say one thing before we start this. I know what you guys are all thinking, and yes, this is the diversity portion of the evening, okay? And no, it's not because Chris is black, and it's not because Monica is trans. It's because every comedian, every comedy show needs two shitty comedians. And so this is the garbage point. This is the loser portion. All right. Guys, give it up for them. It's going to be great.
Can we just roast you guys instead?
Fuck you guys.
Yeah, but when was your last book show? Other than
Crazy. That's super crazy. That's so crazy. What's next out here?
Matt had to run his own show with two people in the audience to get on show, so. Oh yeah, I guess I should roast them.
Yeah.
Who's going first, Chris? You usually come first, right?
Yeah. That's right. I'll show you how that's like. Yeah, for sure. Okay. All right, I'm down with that. All right. Monica comes from a very privileged, very protective Jewish household, okay? Monica comes from a very protective Jewish household, so it's really a huge achievement that she's here tonight. This is the first time she's going to be roasted by a black guy and not have to take a plan B.
Well, Chris, you actually wrote a joke. I'm so proud. Chris and I, we actually used to host a show together, and Chris spent the entire time trying to get with me, but he always failed because what he forgot was that before asking me out, I would have to listen to him do stand-up comedy.
Hey man, what can I say? I support Make-A-Wish, man. I support Yeah, a lot of people have been asking me, like, are you afraid you're gonna lose? Like, do you feel like, are you afraid Monica might beat you? I just gotta say, like, honestly, I'm not scared about that. The only thing I'm scared about battling a sheltered white girl is that she's gonna, not that she's gonna beat me, it's that she's gonna call the cops to do it for her.
Sheltered, even though he's like literally the opposite. Like you somehow still pull off somewhat of a sheltered look, which is kind of pathetic.
You're right. I'm almost white enough to be invited over to dinner at your place. Almost.
Yeah, as I said, Chris and I, we used to host a show together, and not only would he try to get with me off stage, but he spent all of his stage time hitting on me, and I've heard a lot of Chris's jokes, and him thinking he could get with me was actually the best joke I've heard from him. So, good job, Chris.
Probably haven't.
Never worked. I'd like to clarify that has never worked, sir.
No, you're right. No, hey, there's a little bit of truth to that. What is more true, though, is Monica is super, super thirsty for fame. Like, she's been trying to get famous on TikTok for like 2 years now, which is so weird to me.
Yes, I am.
Like, she's been trying to blow up on TikTok. It's so strange. I thought Jewish people only like to blow up Palestinians.
Write a joke, and then it takes you trying to hit on me to actually write a joke. Can you write any jokes without a little privileged white girl beside you? I guess not. Chris's head looks like a wet mop. and he just like wipes up his tears.
That's crazy, man. I'm just surprised you know anything about wetness. Like,
You certainly don't know anything about wetness,
no,
right?
no, ask around.
I did.
Ask around. Oh, man. This is the last one, isn't it? Damn, this has been a fun ride, man. Fuck, this is crazy. I gotta say, this is, man, I just want to think about how bad they want to go here. Like, are we gonna end our friendship like right here, right now? Is that what's gonna happen? What do we think? All right, here we go.
Pulls out the phone, he can't remember the good jokes himself.
No, that's not true. That's not true. Yeah. Monica, yeah. What can I say about Monica? She's perpetually single. She broke up with her last boyfriend. She claims she broke up with her last boyfriend because he wouldn't listen, but that was not true. That is absolutely not true. He would listen. He just couldn't hear her. He couldn't hear over the sound of her biological clock ticking.
Ooh. I thought that was funny. Great joke to end on, Chris. You killed the room. We love it. Worse than my babies are dying. Okay. So Chris, he's not only an unpaid comedian, he is also a freestyle rapper.
Oh, that's true.
I've heard his raps.
You give out.
And what his raps sound like is if Drake's kid Adonis started rapping but only had the skill set of his mother, which is a prostitute and deep throater. So
Is it a coincidence Silly rapper you know is Jewish? Is that a coincidence?
I guess we both killed the room.
I feel like a prostitute knows how to spit too.
Down his throat.
What a battle! A round of applause for Chris.
I haven't seen a Jew get roasted like that since my great grandparents. That was great.
When Chris was talking about what a protected family she comes from, I thought he was going to say, "Trust me, I tried robbing them." Yeah, you guys are both like not even a year in comedy. 1 year? 1 year. One more round of applause for you. Personally, I'm excited to see what both of them are doing the speed round, so I want to put them both through. I'll leave it up to you.
Fuck you, Chris. No, you guys were great, man. That was a good battle. Yeah, fucking, you're both in the speed round. We had a little silent agreement during. We just looked at each other.
Before your last joke. So I gave Dad an opportunity to change his mind if that last one was bad enough.
Yeah. See you in the speed round. Yeah, see you guys in the speed round. Give it up here. That was a great battle. Thank you. Good battle. Oh, great. Okay. Guys, give it up for our next two comedians, Hassan Chowdhury and Mark Pupa, everybody. Woo! All right. Okay. Oh, here he comes. He's just finishing writing a joke. Mark Pupa, Hassan Chowdhury, everybody. Yeah. Brown guy, and the guy's last name starts with Pooh. Hey, you notice the stink in here? Oh, boy. All right. Guys, give it up for them. It's going to be a great battle. All right.
Give it up for this Jew in the back. Okay.
I thought you were going to say Apu versus Pupa.
That would work.
Thanks, Simon.
This was a bad idea, first off. I brought my ex here. Yeah. She's here to watch us like destroy each other, which is...
That's
yeah.
And then get destroyed by James.
Yeah! Alright. Oh, a championship belt, look at that. That's fun. Alright, you wanna go first?
Okay, I'll go first.
Alright, do it.
Cool. Okay. Mark and his dad both are big wrestling fans. His dad's favorite wrestling move is the rock bottom getting fucked in the ass.
That's not even funny because it's true. All right, I just got this off the internet. Hassan's parents are disappointed in him pursuing comedy. They're not disappointed because of his lack of success, but more because it's a Jewish art form.
I love the Jews. Kanye West all the way. The previous one, not the new one. The new one's a homo. Okay. All right, here we go. Every time Mark says white power in the mirror 3 times, a black guy gets nailed by a cop. Kneel. On the neck, get it? George Floyd, get it?
I like how he needed an explanation. Like, he didn't get it beforehand.
All right.
Are we allowed to boo?
Bring the short little fucking girl up here again. Or not.
Girl?
No girl up here. Sorry.
What is happening?
That's the funniest way out of a bomb I've ever seen, yo. Look at the last one that was doing really good. How was that funny?
All right.
Okay, guys.
You gonna go again?
No, you go first.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it twice.
Yeah.
My brother warned me about you people. You just went no?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
What the fuck are you doing? Just say your fucking somebody say
He
it,
got
yo.
me to try and go. All right.
We're doing the job that you guys should be doing.
What should we be doing? Telling you what to do?
Oh, yeah, wait a minute.
It's actually better that you don't boo. Just let them stew in it a little bit.
It's a weird crowd.
Oh, yeah.
Great crowd!
Oh, yeah, all right.
You told one,
I'll go.
you told one George Floyd joke and then you started joking yourself. Okay, Mark, go.
How many more George Floyd jokes do you have? That was it? Okay.
You're just gonna
I'll
take
go
the
with
wind
you.
out of the show.
All right, okay, my turn. Joke number two. So me and Hassan have a different taste in music. I realized our tastes were different when I asked him to play some top 40 hits, and he ended up playing an audio compilation of his dad beating his mom.
That's the only way she comes.
That's why I like her.
Mark's favorite author is Mark Twain because they both say the N-word without telling a story.
It's more inside joke, but all right. Let's get serious here. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Hassan went to Turkey to get a hair transplant. I don't know if you guys.
Oh yeah!
It's coming.
Looks good. I see it. Looks good.
This guy's balding too. You should fucking clap for him.
I just made him uncomfortable.
That's fine.
You know what? Yeah, put it on him.
Yeah, yo.
All right.
You want a hat? Okay. Our only audience member is this guy. I can't.
But yeah, he went to Turkey, and that wasn't the whole joke. But it would have been cheaper if he did what I did and just used the hair off his mother's cunt.
She's a giver.
Again, why I like her. All right.
Mark looks like the guy that invented the saying when a girl says no, it means yes. And if she's asleep, then she won't get a chance to say no, you silly goose. Cosby. Except for these two faggots that don't laugh at shit. Fucking assholes. Okay, fuck these guys.
I want to say I love you too, Hassan, but then the audience will turn on me.
All right. Hassan doesn't fill out online forms because at the end he has to press submit, and it only submits to Allah. That's why he doesn't have a job, because he doesn't fill out the application. All right.
It's time for the night prayer. Mark wrote a book on true experiences. It's called How to Please a Black Man While He's Fucking Your Wife.
Speaking
Does
truth.
Mark's ex know about that one or what?
Oh, she made me write that shit. All right. Hassan grew up in Pakistan where they had their own version of WWE. The only difference in WWE, they had the TLC match, the table, ladders, and chairs. In Pakistan, they had the TLS match, which is tables, ladders, and sandals.
I had to check if you were wearing sandals. I know you were. If it was in June, you'd be wearing sandals for sure.
It was in the winter,
It's a
yeah.
nice day. Now you never know.
I was about to wear them and I didn't have them on. I changed it last second.
Last joke?
Last joke? Okay.
Oh, thank God.
First joke?
Okay. So, Mark has a peanut allergy. He's a spitter, not a swallower, as told by his dad. Mark is not a racist. He hits on ethnic women, and he only hits white women. He gave his mom so many bruises, she looks like she did blackface. And now he comes on her face again and hits her again. Okay, that's too much violence.
Sad story, yo. What's
So much
the
detail.
punchline? And then he punched his mom and then he came on her face. Yeah! Why are you slapping? You gonna go in?
No, you go.
You're
Hassan's parents are cousins. I'm assuming. You know what? Okay, I got 4 to choose from. They're all gonna suck, but okay, no, this one. I respect Hassan's. I respect Hassan because of his immigrant mentality, and by immigrant mentality, he bargains and eats with his hands.
Is that it?
Yeah, that was it.
Give it up for Mark's ex-girlfriend. The only thing worse than Mark's roasting is his reading abilities. Holy shit. Well,
You're right, but I can't read.
I guess she has a thing for illiterate guys. And you're just KKK and brownface.
All of your jokes, I feel like you were just making fun of yourself and putting Mark's name on it. Your next joke, you're gonna be like, this guy smells like a packy.
Look at how confident a white guy would say packy now.
No, you're not Indian. Yeah, I'm just, yeah.
Guys, we're getting into semantics here, okay?
If you were Indian, I would never say that. And also, I was speaking from your point of view. I was speaking as you. I was being a dramatic.
You don't have to give a Joe Rogan apology.
Fucking Ireland, did you get all those jokes back there or what?
You guys don't have to be polite, okay? Who do you want to win?
I remember I went to a Gaelic football game in Ireland a couple of years ago, and it was Dublin against Tyrone. And Tyrone, they had a chant. They said, "I'd rather be a packy than a dove."
That's true.
Yeah, that was
Very
a crazy
true.
chant. Just trying to be relatable to the Irish people in the back. In my opinion, Mark definitely won.
Yes.
For the jokes that you can read, Mark won that one. Go see Mark in the speed round.
We got one more guy in the speed round. We're closing it out with a good one.
Guys, this is a good one. We're very excited to have this. This is the Battle of London, okay? These guys are from London, Ontario. Okay, so you know this is gonna be shit. All right, give it up for Scott. Come on, Brad, you unit. Give it up for these guys. All right, here we go. Here we go. Kind of a quick intro here. Quick intro. We got Scott over here. We got Scott. He's the version of Kurt Cobain who we wanted to kill himself. And Mark is interesting. Mark, you know the thing about Mark, nobody can pronounce his last name. He's Greek. It's not because he's Greek. It's not because his last name is 5 syllables. It's just because he's not memorable. And yeah, Mark's dad died young, and hopefully Mark follows in his footsteps. So, give it up for these guys. They're gonna be hilarious.
I'll go, sure. You guys might be thinking Scott looks familiar from literally every single episode of Cops.
There's only a couple episodes, alright?
The pedophile one. The way I learned about on TV.
Alright, guys, give it up for our hosts, Matt over here, and my opponent, Mark. Give it up for them quickly. They both run Muffins Comedy together. And you know, Muffins is a really good name for these two, right? Because they're a lot like some freshly buttered muffins, you know? Only good once a month and extremely high in fat.
Scott, you look like you piss off other pedophiles for molesting their share of the kids.
Hey, at least I'm getting laid, right? You should have never moved away from London. People would actually want to fuck you there.
Chris Hansen will be seeing you soon. Scott looks like he lives in a trailer he can't afford.
Have you seen mortgage prices lately? Alright, guys, I've seen Mark do comedy for quite a bit now. And you know, I've seen Mark end good sets by saying he's gonna go home and kill himself. And you know, people worry, you know? And most of the time it's pretty hard to believe what comics are saying on stage, but with Mark, you really just hope it's all true, right? Alright, that one messed up.
Now who should kill themselves?
Once this guy starts laughing at me, I'm definitely gonna kill myself. Who are you to judge anybody? Fucking shorts and square glasses here. Holy fuck. You're bombing life, sir.
Scott has a gas mask on for every single day of the week. Yes, I uploaded your top heavy, the front part of my set.
Alright, like Matt was saying, if you couldn't tell by Mark's horrible last name, he's Greek, right? And you know, if Mark would ever be able to convince a woman to settle down with him, Mark just wants to have a normal wedding, you know? Nothing fancy. Mark just wants to have a normal Greek wedding. Everything else in his life is already big and fat.
I'm not getting married. Scott, you look like you get lost a lot. I'll go one more. You look like every time you go on vacations to Area 51.
I can't afford to go all the way to Nevada. What are you talking about?
Scott looks like he smokes weed for breakfast.
That's just true. But, guys, Mark recently lost his work from home job earlier this year. And, you know, that's been tough. And, you know, that's been really, really hard on him. But, Mark, I do want to ask you, what do you think collapsed faster? Your financial stability this year, or your dad's arteries during his heart attack?
I make 75 grand. I'm pretty sure that's more than you've ever seen in your life.
I think 110, bud.
What?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, dude! No, that is sick!
I'm actually successful.
No way! I did not see that coming. I didn't even fathom the possibility where Scott's successful. Jobs are now very. Well, honestly, fuck me, because that's pretty sick that he makes that much money.
That is straight up, he just won. Like, what do you say to I make more money than you? I didn't fuck his mom. That was my only hope.
Well, you both don't get laid, so I guess that's off the table.
Round of applause for Mark versus the battle of heavy metal versus heavy heavies.
Give it up for Ham Easy over here.
I'm losing weight, bro. I'm drinking white dog.
Nobody can tell.
I'm drinking 40 years, bro. Check me in 90 calories.
All right, so before I lose this battle, let me do my roast on these guys. Jam Easy looks like he'll steal your girl just so he can write poems to her.
Those are red, baby.
I'm not moving on to the speed round, right?
Why do you say that?
Okay, all right.
He's saving material, you know?
Yeah. I honestly thought it was really close. I'm gonna.
Well, good.
I thought it was really close. I'm gonna let you decide.
You know what? I mean, for one thing, I don't know if this matters to anybody, but the last time Scott came, it was just so fucking brutal that we had to just say no. Like, you and your opponent both suck, and you both have to go. And Scott did really fucking good tonight, guys. I fucking love that shit. Mark also fucking did really good. I kind of want to see them both come through and just roast the shit out of everybody.
Fuck it! You're both running everybody! Alright, so I'm very excited. Get your thoughts together back there. You guys got about like 2 minutes and then we're going to bring everyone back up. Man, what a great night of roast we had so far. And honestly, aren't you guys glad you came?
Of course.
Ireland, are you guys glad you came? Are you glad you stopped in?
They're never coming back for their permanent residency.
Mark's next. Are you getting back together with them or what? Oh, she's on his song now. That's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy. Yo. She really likes a loser, you know. All right, so we're gonna bring you guys all on stage one by one, and I want to give a nice round of applause for all our winners that got put through tonight, guys. Round of applause for Ryan Sims, Chris Sarpon, Monica Groves. You guys, everyone come on through at the same time. Yeah. You're all gonna come up, and basically everyone's gonna get a minute, and you can talk shit about each other. You can talk shit about us. You can talk shit about that guy if you want. It's everyone. Whoever has the best minute is gonna win this title belt and $20 cash money out of my wallet because before this night I was like, no one's getting paid tonight. We didn't make any money. You guys gave me so much fun and joy tonight that I'm going to take $20 out of my own pocket and give it to you. We got two more winners, Scott Coffin and Mark Karakinitis, and Mark Koopa. Everyone come to the front.
You guys are all coming on the stage.
Yeah, you guys all come on the stage. It's going to be very crowded. We didn't plan for all. We meant to do 4, now we have 6, because I don't know how to count.
Plan for everyone to win.
You can't. We got 2 big hearts here. We got 2 big bleeding hearts, me and Matt. It's tough. I almost want to bring Lee on stage too to be a part of this speed round, you know?
I think Lee, guys, who agrees that Lee might have just won the night? Huh? Put up the Lee in the front. All right, guys, this is the best part of the fucking night. So
we'll go in order of people that won first and people that went last. So Ryan, you started up, and then we'll go to you guys. So Ryan Sim.
Hello? Yeah.
Your time starts now.
Okay, Chris, you look like a Nigerian who's sending me emails. And Monica, you look like the person that responds to them. Monica, you look like if J8 stood for just okay. Mark, you made fun of a son for eating with his hands, and you look like you eat cum with your ass. Okay. Mark is Serbian like my mother, my wife. I don't want to fuck either of them. All right. But Scott, you look like Jason Mewes if he never got clean. Where are you? Okay. Scott looks like he doesn't drink Bud Light anymore. And Mark, Mark, you look like you probably should drink some Bud Light, buddy.
Time.
Hell yeah, guys. Round of applause for Ryan.
Bud Light.
Bud Light, Bud Light, Bud Light. Do we have any Bud Lights in the fridge? Give me one. All right, guys. Chris Zarpong, are you ready to go? Your time starts now.
Mark's ancestors came from Greece, which is explains why everything he eats is fried in it. Scott called him, man. Scott, man, I gotta say, this is an inside joke, but you literally look like if EOA was a person. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. Ryan, man, you look so fucking creepy. You look like you gotta bring ID to pick up your kids from school, bro. Hassan Chowdhury's in the back, man. He's the Bollywood Uncle Ruckus, straight up. Raise a shit jam easy, bro. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I love you, man, but man, I fuck with you more when you did music, man. Like, much music back in the day? Informer, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? Mark is an engineer, as we all know, man. It's great, he does double duty. He's the only engineer heavy enough to test his own bridges. And Matt, I got some smoke for you too, man. I gotta say, you look like you'd be a school shooter, but you can't quite afford the gun, man. Also, looks like the only thing more fragile than your ego is your mental health, man. I'm sorry. Monica Gross. Monica, your time starts now.
Okay, Ryan and James have both made bulimia jokes tonight, which is pretty ironic out of all the people in this room. Matt looks like he's the only successful one from bulimia, so it's interesting. Everyone in this audience is fucking stupid. We asked you to enter a building and you said yes. Like, go back to Ireland, honestly. Belong here. James, are those your blue blocker glasses? Do you guys know what blue blocker glasses are? They're for health, right? Because James is obviously the epitome of health. Lee is also apparently a comedian, and he's the only audience member at this shit roast, so that tells you everything you need to know about his comedy.
Time.
Okay, thank you!
Round of applause for Monica Gross. No. Poopa.
Me?
You're next, yeah.
Oh, you saw me writing it correct?
I said it's going in order of the battles.
All right.
You had the longest time to think.
You're not gonna be able to read it anyway.
You know I can't think, you asshole. All right.
Mark Poopa, your time.
Poopa.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not. I need like 5 minutes.
Oh, well, you don't have 5 minutes. Your time starts now.
Okay, all right. It's a hate crime if I roast you. All right. I'll do you last. I didn't think. Hate crime if I roast you. Fuck. All right. Very good puns, I guess. What was your name? Scott Coughlin? More like Scott Cocksucker. All right. Monica Gross, more like Gross. Chris Carpong, more like ping pong, or it's fucking Chinese. All right.
Take that!
Yeah. I'm pretty limited what I can say about people.
You ain't gonna be about that belt.
Bring it! Right, okay, Ryan claims he has a big dick. How big is it?
Ask your mom.
That's crazy, yo. I said last joke and then he just made his mom suck Ryan's dick. That's nuts, yo. Guys, round of applause for Ryan Sam. All right. Mark K, you ready to go?
Oh yeah.
All right.
You cut me off. Legit cheese.
Mark, correct. It is your time. Start
Ryan
now.
Sim. Wow, you hear that voice? Okay, let's go. Ryan Sim, you have crazy eyes, and that's coming from me. Is Jordan still here?
Yeah, buddy.
Jordan, I don't think you're gay because you're gay. I think you're gay because you started out in safe space shows.
No, that's why I lost.
We need comics like Hassan, because without comics like Hassan, comics like me wouldn't know to stick with it. Mark dresses like his job is calling women bitches. Mark, you look like you poop out your pants. Oh, Matt, you're the only guy I know who works out every single day and still looks like you're in heroin withdrawal. Chris, dude, cute ponytail, bro. Sick. You look like a Nintendo Wii character came to life. Monica, I loved you in The Big Bang Theory. Monica likes to shop at Value Village, I assume. Okay. Oh, but
I thought it was Monica that was talking.
Oh, it's too mean. Fuck.
Say it! Do the mean one. Do the mean one.
Monica, you're 5 years ahead of where you should be. Chill out.
The speed round is 6, you know. Yeah, you guys are all doing great. We got one more guy. Guys, I want you to give a big round of applause to Scott Coughlin. And your time starts now.
Alright. I just firstly want to say, I thought you guys were fucking woke here. I've heard more F-bombs here than fucking anywhere. I feel like I've been fucking baseball practice in the 90s. Jesus Christ. But, alright, I was not preparing to be up here. I just turned the phone off. Matt looks like he was here to commit van attacks and just settle for stand-up instead. Give it up for a song and make me feel not so bad about fucking having stand-up as a career.
You suck.
And also fucking bailing on Ryan Roast a couple weeks ago, you dick. And fuck. Hey, man. Hey, what was your name again? Steve. Yeah, who gives a fuck? Once again, give it up for Mark. Give it up for Mark being so fat that even Ryan can make fun of him. This stage looks like the weirdest gangbang of Monica ever.
Round of applause for all the comedians you guys saw. This is what you come to Roastlemania for. The speed round is the only roast battle in town that does it. Fuck yeah, you guys all did great. In my opinion, there's 3 standouts. I liked Ryan Sim, Chris Sarpon, and Scott Coughlin. Those are my 3. I don't know if you guys want to sit down with those 3 or what do you want to do here?
Oh fuck, dude. Ryan went first, but Ryan was pretty fucking
Ryan was
deadly,
great.
dude. Ryan was pretty fucking deadly. We might have to give this to the audience. I don't know.
Ryan! Okay. I don't
Drink!
I said 3. If you guys...
Scott fucking came in hard too.
Okay, so let's take it. So since we both agree that Ryan and Scott are top 2, so Ryan and Scott, you stay up on stage. We'll do a little audience participation, yo. Yeah, and round of applause for the other guys, though. Okay, so now we're gonna leave it in the audience's hands. All right, we're gonna give applause-o-meter. Hey, can I get your phone, bro?
No.
All right. So first, guys, round of applause for Ryan Sim. All right. Round of applause for Scott Coughlin. Scott Coughlin, I want to say, this is this comeback story. This guy, last time he came, his battle, they were both so bad, we didn't let either of them through to the next round. It was Roastlemania history, and now he came back, and he won the fucking belt.
And fuck the rest of you.
Thanks for coming out tonight. Really appreciate you guys accepting us begging you into this place. You know?